chance to say God loves you, let Him clothe you in the beauty of His grace. Let the healing power of His Spirit come upon you till you're ready to meet the Father face to face. I'd like the chance to say how much God loves you. His peace and joy are like no other known. He will wrap you in the goodness of His loving arms. I'd like to say, yes, I'd like to say, I'd like the chance to say, God loves you.